Be aware. That advice from the head of the St. Andrews Central Police Division, SSP Marlon Nesbeth, as the festive season draws near. The officer says while the public will see an increase in police presence during this time, he's urging citizens to be cautious, especially of culprits on motorcycles. Jamila Maitland reports.
The police are urging citizens to be vigilant of their surroundings when conducting business in certain areas as the Christmas season approaches. Commanding officer for the St. Andrews Central Police Division, SSP Marlon Nesbeth, says during this period there is usually an increase in commercial activities. It's why he's urging citizens to be mindful, especially when transporting large sums of money.
I'd urge them to do so in a very protected way. We have had so many instances of persons going to banks to withdraw large sums of monies and end up being robbed. We are cautioning that they should resist from, personally going or individually going to move those large sums of money, but seek assistance. Even the police, we are quite willing to help from time to time if we are alerted to it or asked. So at this time in particular, I'd urge them to just be very careful as they exercise their business.
He says shopping districts and business hubs such as Halfway Tree, New Kingston, Ligoni and Papine, among other areas, are preyed upon by criminals who are often on bikes.
We have a lot of challenges. We still need to continue, particularly looking for those men on the motorbikes who will prey on the vulnerable targets, especially a lone female. So we are doing a lot of work and we expect to do more. Situations like those normally we find within the communities, various communities. So we have started to put out more patrols in those places to see our best, to include covert presence, to see how best we can mitigate the situation.
SSP Nesbeth says already citizens should see more officers in these areas. He says more boots on the ground will be deployed to help allay the fears of citizens and provide a quick response whenever an incident occurs.
We have beefed up some patrols. Going forward, we expect much more than what we have presently, but it's working because we have seen a downward trend as we speak.
Jamila Maitland, TVJ News.